Lovely. Subscribe to Madhura's Recipe and hit the bell icon to receive updates of all my new recipes. Hello friends, I am Madhura. Welcome to MadhurasRecipe.com. Today I am making spicy and savory muffins. These are eggless, plus we are not using any all-purpose flour for making these muffins. It makes perfect on-the-go snack or quick and easy breakfast. So here's what you need. We need 1 cup of Suji, that is unroasted Suji or Semolina, half cup of yogurt, 3 tablespoons of boiled corn, salt to taste, 2 tablespoons of red pepper, 2 tablespoons of green pepper, 2 tablespoons of yellow pepper. You can choose veggies of your choice. We need Italian seasoning, 1/4 teaspoon. You can use oregano or mixed herbs, some chili flakes, that is half teaspoon, some crushed black pepper and half teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 tablespoon of oil, and plus we need half cup of water to make this into batter. So to begin with, let's put in semolina into a bowl, and again we don't need to roast this semolina. In that goes in half cup of yogurt, salt, baking soda, and let's first mix this everything together. Now after yogurt is well combined, let's add in water and make this into a batter. So half cup of water is good enough. Now after that's well combined, let's go ahead and add in oil, that is 1 tablespoon of oil, mixed herbs, chili flakes, black pepper. Now mix that in. Now let's go ahead and add in our veggies. So goes in some corn, green pepper, red pepper and yellow pepper, and mix that in. It already looks nice and colorful. Now I have preheated my oven at 180 degrees Celsius. So here I have these molds, silicone molds. So let's fill them with this Suji batter. Don't fill them full, just 3/4 of the batter is enough, as it needs little bit of space to rise. Now if you do not have these silicone molds, you can use cupcake molds, cupcake tin. Even you can make use of steel katoris that you have at home for making these muffins into oven, and you don't even need to bake this into oven. You can just bake this like we cake our eggless cake in pressure cooker. It bakes perfectly in pressure cooker also. So just follow my previous videos for how to make cake in pressure cooker to follow the procedure. And now I'm going to pop this molds into preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for around 20 to 25 minutes. So here these muffins are baked. They look nice. Now if you insert a toothpick, it comes out clean. That means these muffins are cooked all the way through. It took only 20 minutes on 180 degrees Celsius. So let's check this out. Superb. Look at this. Look at the color, texture it has got. Superb. Lovely. And here the spicy and savory muffin looks superb. It looks nice and colorful. It makes perfect on the go snack, and you can serve this with some any dipping or sauce of your choice, or you can just have it as it is, as it has veggies, lots of spices in it and lots of flavor. So if you like this recipe, hit the like button. Also don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.